about to have my eyes sore. Man, that's looking nice. Oh, gold. Complimentary breakfast with every slip and slide. Part of a nutritious breakfast, baby! Can't forget the hot sauce with my eggs. Brian Sketchler. A lemon and a lime calls for a great time. Ow.
Oh my god.
Oh, Pat,
Hey,
Yo!
Oh Lord, these burgers looking juicy. I just need a little extra flavor on them. Hold on, one second. What's up, baby? I told you already.
Hey, this nigga don't know how to cook. You need to ask some crack.
Get out of here. What you doing?
Why you hit me with that?
What is that?
No,
You
I'm
put
fine.
crack on that? No, you supposed to put weed on the burger. What you tripping?
Well,
You
put no damn weed on that
tripping.
shit. Boy, give me that weed.
No,
boy.
put it on yours.
We smoked that one.
Put it on there.
Hell no.
I gotta make me one.
Crackhead, Bobby.
You tripping?
I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest. I'm the greatest. Let's go, bro. Let's go. All your baby.
Nah, you're trash. Leave it to the pros.
You're the best.
Oranges in the eyes, gotta
You're
be
the
fly
best.
to the sky.
Gotcha.
You're the greatest. You got this. Woo! Fuck it. Patty Phelps. There he is. How you doing, boss?
Patrick?
What's crack-a-lackin'?
Yes.
Yeah, that's me. Just going to get some quick munchies.
Okay.
Do you smoke weed?
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh. Shit.
Jackpot.
Okay. Fuck. We got the Uber hit the gas. You gotta rip it, bro. You gotta womp it. Breathe in, my guy. Breathe in, my guy. Oh, shit. You good? You good, bro? You sure? Yo,
Bob. It's green.
Boss, it's green.
Yeah, it's green.
Bro,
It's freaking high.
You drive.
Patty Uber.
You good, bro?
Yeah.
Patty whipping the Uber.
Yeah, she butt naked, you better start hating. Yeah. Gelato got me flying.